Hi, welcome to Pike Lane Gardens. I'm Adam Weiss. It's so great to meet you, members of the City Hospitality team. I'm up here in Woodstock, New York on a beautiful 69-degree day and excited to share with you about the mission of my company, Pike Lane Gardens. I developed this for a few reasons. I wanted to use the vegetable gardening platform in order to have people connect with the soil, lower the carbon footprint, as well as have an activity that they'd be able to help their emotional well-being. Going back into the office right now, to be able to have some ways for your team members to be able to relax and put their energies into something outside of the quality of their work, I found to be extremely helpful. So in front of you, you should have a couple of kits, my indoor seed starting kit and my spring make your own salad kit. So I want to talk to you a little bit about those today so you can get an idea of what they're about. What also is I provide a interactive presentation. So instead of getting a kit in the mail and trying to figure out what you're going to do, whether it's pre-recorded or if it's live or live with recording afterwards, I walk people right through the steps, have a Q&A period so that they're supported during learning a new skill. So we've got two kits. This is the indoor seed kit and how it's packaged, and this is the growing your own salad and how it's packaged. So I don't know if any of you have grown your seeds inside before, but you're using seeds to get a head start on your summer vegetables. You can't really put tomatoes and peppers and basil out into your garden when it's cold outside because the seeds will just sit there. So what you want to be able to do is get a head start by growing them inside. So what I've done is I've selected three of my favorite types of seeds, a sun gold cherry tomato, a red Russian kale, and a Genovese basil. We learn about how we create from these peat pods a growing medium to be able to start your seeds. We have markers so we don't forget what we're growing. As time goes on, we transfer our most healthiest seedlings into a larger pot so that they can grow, get a healthier root system to be able to put outside. Here's this beautiful red Russian kale, and about 2 weeks from now, this is going into the garden, whether it's a container garden for your apartment or your balcony, or some people grow on fire escapes, or for a new garden outside or raised beds. The other kit that I have right now is the Spring Grow Your Own Salad Greens with teaching a little bit about companion planting with cucumbers. So, this is called a grow bag, and it's included in the kit. And as you can see, here's beautiful leaf lettuces that are grown, as well as this tiny little cucumber that's starting, if you can see that. So in this particular kit, you have your grow bag, you have my Pike Lane Gardens leaf lettuce mix, as well as a great pickling cucumber seed, Supremo. In addition, I have some extra virgin olive oil. So with this workshop, I actually go into the kitchen after we learn how to be able to seed and give you the basics about how to create salad dressings so you can enjoy your leaf lettuces with quality dressings. So these are the two programs that I have to offer. In addition to that, I have a series of webinars, garden to kitchen workshops, the ability to have a dedicated platform for your employees where they can ask questions and I can manage that. So there's several options depending upon what type of commitment that you would like to make to your employee base about learning about organic vegetable gardening. If you'd like them to dip their toe in the water, or you'd like them to see from starting a seed in April all the way to planting garlic at the end of the year. So I'm so glad that you had me join today, and thanks for considering Pike Lane Gardens.